the bones bearing. This deep inside your ear, it's a special part filled with liquid. The tiny bones make the little big brain. The nervous change the liquid vibration into signal that go to the brain. The nerves carry the signals to the brain, taking care of our ears. A person who cannot hear well, all is deaf, hearing aids can help some deaf people hear better. Our deaf people use their hands and figure to talk. It is important to take care of your ears. Do not put things in your ears. If you hear loud, put something over your ears. Wala na, tapos na.